wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel. My name is Aban Njidam. Today I will be reacting to this Indian woman says that there is no logic in marrying 4 wives. So let's watch the video and hear what Zakir Naik is going to say.
My name is Lakshmi. I'm a journalist. Now, the second question is, Muslim men are allowed to marry 4 or 5 times, I think, and they don't require their wife's permission, the first wife's permission to marry.
Actually, we don't need their permission before we get married to second wife.
So
but Islamically, if you want to get married, you will tell your wife that you want to marry another woman.
That's the institution of
but
marriage.
You don't need permission from them.
Please clarify. Thank you.
Because you are the husband.
In Islam,
the only thing you will do is you will
times,
inform her that you want to get second wife
or third wife. They don't ask permission from the first wife. Why? As far as polygyny is concerned, a man having more
and
than
most
one
of
wife,
the prophets that passed before,
Islam
they have more than one wife. They have
religion.
more than one wife.
And Quran is the only
religious
scripture on the face of the earth.
And in many scriptures, most of the
there is no religious scripture
talk about
besides the Quran.
more than one
I'm a
wife.
student of comparative religion, which says marry only one. There is no verse
But
in the
only
Bible,
Quran
no verse in
says
the Bhagavad
that
Gita,
marry
no
only
verse in the
one.
Veda which says marry only one.
If you can do justice, you can marry more than one wife. If you cannot do justice, marry only one. That's what Islam says.
How many wives did he have? How many wives?
More than one?
More than one. 3 wives. Fine. Shri Krishna, according to Mahabharata, how many wives he had?
Oh my God.
Limited.
It has limit.
Not unlimited. You don't know your scripture well.
No.
Did he have 4 wives? No.
I have no idea.
Not 4, not 100, not 1,000.
Wow.
16,108 wives. How many wives they have?
What's wrong with it?
16,108.
If marrying
So why
4
can't
wives,
Muslims
what's
have
wrong
4?
with it?
What's the problem? When Shri Krishna can have 16,108 wives, why can't we have 4? Further, if you read the Vishnu Purana, chapter number 24, verse number 1, it says a Brahmin can have up to 4 wives. If you read the Jewish scriptures, it gives you permission to have as many wives as you wish.
Abraham has more than one
wife. If you read
wife.
the Christian Bible, it gives you permission to have as many wives as you wish. If you read the Bible, Abraham had 3
700
wives. Solomon, how many wives he had? He had 700 wives. It is later on, the church has put a ban that Christians should marry only one, not the Bible. It is the Jewish community married more than one wife. It was in 1950 that chief rabbi passed a synod that Jews should marry only one. So it is the rabbi, not the Jewish scriptures. And according to Hindu scriptures, you can marry as many as you wish. It is the Indian government in 1954 passed a law called the Hindu Special Marriage Act.
Most of the
Hindu
scriptures
Special Marriage Act
talk
which
about
says
multiple
Hindus
wives.
should marry only one. It is not the religious scripture. It is not Bhagavad Gita. It is
Not
not
only
Ramayana.
Islam,
It is not
most
Mahabharata.
of the
It is not
scriptures
Veda. It is
talk
the
about
Indian
multiple
Penal
wives.
Code.
But Islam says that
The Indian
marry
government,
only
which has
one
passed
wife.
a law
If you can
in
do justice,
1954
if you can
that
do
Hindus
justice, you can marry
should
more
marry
than
only
one
one.
wife.
But
If you
according to the
cannot do
statistics
justice,
of the status
if you cannot
of
do
the
justice,
women
marry only
in
one.
Islam,
That's what Islam
if
says.
you read the government documents on page number 66, 67, it says
Islam is
Muslims
the only
do
religion
polygamous
that
marriages.
makes
You know what is the
it
percentage
clear
in India?
that marry only one.
4.3%. How much? In India,
If you can do justice, you can marry more
4.3%
than
of the
one. If
Muslim
you cannot
men
do
do
justice,
polygamous
marry
marriages.
only one.
The statistic between 1951 to 1961, Hindus, how many? 5.06, 0.7% more than the Muslims in India. According to the Indian government, even though it is prohibited according to the Indian law, yet they do more polygamous marriages than the Muslims. Why? Now, let's analyze what does the Quran say. Quran says in Surah Nisa chapter 4 verse number 3, marry
Justice.
women of
Marry
your choice
only one.
in 2s,
That is
3s or 4s.
what Islam
But if you
says.
can't do justice, marry only one. This statement, marry only one, is only given in the Quran and no other religious scripture. It says, Marry a woman of a choice in twos, threes, or fours. But if you can't do justice, marry only one. So if you want to
Justice.
marry more than one woman, one of the criteria of the Quran is you should do justice.
Allahu Akbar.
If you can't do justice, you should marry only one. Now, what are the reasons, logical reasons a person can think that why has Islam permitted certain men to have more than one wife? Many non-Muslims think
At all,
it is
it's not
fard.
compulsory.
It is compulsory for a Muslim man to have more than one woman, to have more than one wife. It's not compulsory, it's optional.
It's optional. If you like,
It's
you
not
can marry
fard.
more than one
It's
wife.
not compulsory.
If you like, you
How
will
many
stay with
Muslim
only
men do
one.
you know who have more than one wife? How many do you know, sister? How many do you know?
A few.
How many?
A few
Few
again.
means 1, 2, 3. How many?
Yeah, at least about 3.
About 3. Have you heard of Dharminder?
Yeah.
How many wives he has?
2.
Muslim or non-Muslim?
Non-Muslim.
Non-Muslim. Your previous chief minister, what's the name?
Jayalalitha.
Yes. Hindu or Muslim? Hindu or Muslim? Hindu, fine. Now these are famous personalities. Fine. How many famous personalities you know in India who have got more than one wife? The 3 you know may be locality, fine?
Yeah.
Local, maybe friend in your neighborhood, maybe your colleague. In India, there are more non-Muslims having more than one wife than the Muslims. Now let us understand what are the logical reasons. Come back to logic now. Now, by nature, if you ask any medical doctor, he will tell you, male and female are born in equal proportion. Girls and boys are born in equal proportion. But any medical doctor, any pediatrician, any children doctor will tell you that the female sex, the female child is stronger than the male child. That's the reason there are more deaths in the male children as compared to female children. So in children's age itself, the female children are much more than the male children. As life goes on, there are people dying due to accidents, due to alcoholism, due
That's
to war.
true.
There are more males dying as compared to females. Today, if you analyze in the world,
Men
there are more
are dying
females in the
more
world
than
as
female.
compared to males. There are few third world countries like India where the male
That's true.
population
Female
is
population
more
are
than
more
the
than
female
men.
population. And do you know why? The reason is because of female feticide and female infanticide. According to an article, a program which came on BBC by the name Let Her Die, the program was assignment. There was a British reporter by the name of Emily Buchanan. She comes to India and she says that every year in India, more than 1 million fetuses are being aborted after they identified that they're females. She says more than 3,000 every day. You multiply, more than 1 million every year. According to the Tamil Nadu government hospital report, she gives the statistics, out of 10 female born alive, do you know how many are put to death? 4. Sister, did you know that? Tamil Nadu, your state, your beloved state, according to the government statistics, out of 10 females born alive in the government hospital, 4 are put to death. There are billboards put in Rajasthan and here, which says that spend 500 rupees and save 500,000 rupees. You know what does it indicate? Spend 500 rupees, do ultrasonography, do amniocentesis, identify the child you're carrying is a female, abort her, and save 5 lakh rupees, 500,000 rupees. Maybe a couple of 100,000 upbringing her, and the remaining 100,000 in dowry. If you stop this evil practice in India, our beloved country, stop the female infanticide, stop the female feticide. Even in India, the population of female will be more than the male population. If you see the rest of the world, if you see New York alone, there are 1 million females more than males. In USA
Female
alone,
are more than
there are
men.
7.8 million females
The
more than
population of
males.
female are more
in
than
UK
male
alone, there are 4
population.
million females more than males. In Germany alone, there are 5 million
Wow.
females more than males. In Russia alone, there are 9 million females more than males. And God alone knows how many millions of females are more than males throughout the world. Suppose I agree with your philosophy.
remaining
sister,
women,
you said,
who will marry
one
them?
man, one woman. If I agree with you,
Who
sister,
will marry the remaining
with your
ones?
philosophy.
If one man,
one
one woman.
And suppose my
Who will
sister
marry the remaining
happens to
women?
be in America. or your sister happens to live in America, and suppose the market is saturated. One man, one woman, saturated. Yet there will be 7.8 million females who will not find life partners. One man, one woman. Now the option for these 7.8 million females is either marry a man who already has a wife or become public property. You say, Dr. Zakir Naik, public property, such a harsh word. Sister, it is the most sophisticated word I can use. I cannot use a more sophisticated word than public property. According to the Statistics of America, do you know, on an average, a man, before he settles down with a wife, he has 8 different sexual partners. Do you know that? On average, 8. Some may have 1, some may have 10, some may have 28
That's
sexual
true.
partners before he settles down with one. So the only option remaining, so if my sister happens to live in America, or if your sister happens to live in America, and the option is given to her, and suppose the market is saturated, every man has found a woman for himself. And unfortunately, if my sister, or if your sister happens to be one of the women who has not found a life partner, the only option for them is either marry a man who already has a wife or become public property. Any modest woman would opt for the first. Sister, what would you opt for your sister? Marrying a man who already has a wife or become public property?
When she will grow up,
My
she will
sister's
grow
too
up.
young to be married, so
When she
can't
grows up
remember
and
where
if she
she
happens to
is.
go to America,
She
or
will
if you
grow-
happen to
she
be in
will grow-
America,
third choice.
Tomorrow.
what would you prefer for her? You're the elder sister. Would you prefer her becoming public property or marry a man who already has a wife and get equal rights? In Islam, if you have a second wife, you give equal rights.
No,
In
right.
America, the public property has got no rights. She's degraded. She's dishonored. In Islam, she has an equal right. She gets honor. What would you prefer for younger sister when she grows up?
No answer. No answer.
Sometimes it's difficult to
She
speak
can't
to the
say
sister,
it.
correct? Especially in front of such a large audience. Anyway, I've got your answer, sister.
Thank you.
And your silence speaks for that. So that's the reason in Islam, sister, men have been allowed to marry more than one wife is to protect the woman, not to degrade her. Regarding a question, is it compulsory that the husband should take the permission of the wife? It's not compulsory because
You don't
if
need
she wants
permission
to
from your
protect-
wife to,
if
get,
that
to
man wants
marry
to protect
second
another
wife in
woman,
Islam.
a normal woman,
The only
I agree
thing you
with
will
you,
do
sister,
is
no
you will
woman
inform your
under
wife,
normal
and
circumstances
the
would
wife
like to share the
must
husband.
agree.
You have to agree. This is human nature. But
Because you don't have
if the woman
option.
is a good Muslimah,
But you
is a good
don't need
Muslim
to take
woman,
permission from
what
your
she
wife
says,
to get
let a small
second
loss
wife.
take place to prevent a big loss. She will say, I
But
know
it's
sharing my husband is a
Islamically
lot
to
for me,
inform her.
but I would
You
prefer
can't
letting a
go
small
and
loss
marry
take
second
place
wife
for me
without your wife
to prevent
knowing
my
it.
sister becoming public property. She's a good human being. So she would surely give permission to the husband to marry a second woman if she's a good Muslim woman. But taking permission is not fard, it is preferable. But at least informing is a requirement so that he does justice between the two wives.
Dr.
Hope that's
Zakir Naik
you.
gave her a very, very, very good answer. You see, in Islam, it's not necessary for you to take permission from your wife. You don't need to take permission from your wife. You are the husband, and it's allowed for you to marry second wife. But you must inform your wife that you want to marry second wife or third wife. But you don't need her permission. You don't need her permission to take second or third wife. But it's good to inform her that you want to take a second wife. You don't need her permission before you take the second wife. But it's Islamically to inform her that you are married.